That's real slime, that is. And you can eat it. Oh, Keisha's putting tomato sauce in now. Angel, don't put too much on though, because your bowl's getting very, very full now. Angel, not too much. Oh! Oh! Angel, look at the table.
It'll be on YouTube.
Angel, today we're going to make edible slime with all these ingredients.
And we're with Keisha.
And we've got Angel's friend Keisha, and she's never been on video before, has she? Right, so to make edible slime you need, are you ready? 1 spoonful of this.
That's massive.
Yeah.
Big spoonful.
Oh, that's loads. Mummy, will you get me in 2 forks?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we need. We need 2 spoonfuls of flour.
We only did 1, didn't we?
Oh, they can do 1. And then a fruit shoot each. Yeah, 1 fruit shoot each.
And pour it in there.
Open it up. And pour it in.
All of it.
Yeah, pour it in. Oh, look at that, that looks like a real nice slime.
Okay, so what do we need to do next, Daddy? Because my fruit shoot's all gone.
You need to get your fork and mix it right up. Oh! Mix, mix, mix.
Yummy.
Mix, 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 Angel. Let's have a look at yours, Keisha. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
It smells nice.
Does it smell nice? What does it smell of? Fruit shoot. Do you think?
Daddy, it's looking nice now, isn't it?
Looks nice, right? What colours do you want, guys, in there?
Orange.
Orange for Angel.
Because I love pink. Because my
And
favourite
pink for
colour's orange
Keisha.
anyway.
Do you want some tomato sauce to give it some flavour? It's not tomato, it's strawberry.
I like toffee.
You want toffee? Do you want strawberry then, Keisha?
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah. That's looking nice. You want loads, Angel? You put loads in?
Amanda Max cherry. Right, a cherry colour. Mine looks peach, doesn't it? Like pale skin.
Do you want some orange? Angel, what's it taste like? Is it not nice? What do you think?
I think mine's nice.
Keisha thinks yours is nice.
No. I know at the end it is yours.
That's real slime, that is. And you can eat it. Keisha's putting tomato sauce in now. Let's have a look what it goes like.
Smells nice.
Oh.
Can I have a bit of strawberry too?
Yeah.
Not that much sticky.
Is that nice?
No, not that nice. It's disgusting.
Keisha, you've done a real good job of that.
I have, haven't I?
Let's have a look at Angel's. Lift it up, Angel. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's the real good job.
Okay, so now we're gonna put this in here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna make our desserts.
Good idea. Don't put too much in. That's enough.
Satisfying.
That is disgusting. Who's gonna eat that?
You.
Me?
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Are you finished with those bowls now? Shall I move them for you?
I will actually.
You're gonna eat it too?
Yeah. I'll eat mine.
Angel! Keisha! Oh, you two? What are you two doing? That is too cheeky. You're supposed to be making me a dessert.
Not you.
Yeah, for me.
It's gonna be disgusting.
Oh, Angel, that looks just like a proper dessert. Well done. What should we put on top of it? Smarties. We've got marshmallows. We've got Skittles.
Ooh, yummy.
Angel Keisha's put all of them Skittles on the top.
They're not Skittles.
What are they?
Smarties.
Smarties. That looks. Oh, Angel, that looks really good. Are you doing a circle in the middle?
No, I'm mixing it all into it.
Angel, why don't you put a full layer of red there, because you'll see it through the glass. Then put another layer of cream.
I can see his Smarties. I've mixed it all in.
Good job.
Some small little marshmallows.
Oh, wow. Angel, you're eating more than you put on your cake. Oh, look how many quiches put on. Uh-oh. That is a lot. Keisha, you're making like a soup. A soup of slam and food.
I'm just gonna, like, what? Smarties, marshmallows, and these lekers. Oh, I can actually make a look out.
Are you putting any sprinkles on yours, Angel?
Yeah, well, soon. I can actually go on that.
That is a lot of tomato.
It's not tomato.
I call it tomato.
Well, I do, because it's sauce.
What do you think, Keisha?
Because it's sauce.
Is it nice? Angel, you try some of yours, see what you think.
Yeah, go.
Did you know Keisha just had a full mouthful? Mummy's outside running round after Leah.
Yeah.
Quick, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh!
Squeezing.
How big can you make it? How big can you make that? Ah! Angel!
We're running now.
Angel, don't put too much on though, because your bowl's getting very, very full now. Okay.
Sprinkles on top.
Yeah. Angel, not too much. Oh! Angel, what have you just done? Angel! You are cheeky. But just don't make too much mess. Angel! You've gone insane, you've gone crazy. Uh-oh, Keisha's going crazy too. Everyone's going crazy. Angel! It won't fit on. You won't be able to get any sprinkles on, it's totally full up now, Angel.
Oh man. Oh, can I have a go? No.
Look what Leah, look what Angel's made, look all that.
Can I have a go?
We've finished now, we can do another one in a minute. Angel! That is too much slime. Yeah. Oh no, you get Keisha, let's see Keisha's hands. Look at that, Keisha stayed clean. And let's have a look at your work area. Oh.